At the very outset, I would like to express my thanks to you that you have allotted this 0 hours, 0 hours notice, that is according to Rule 49A of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Sir, I would like to move the 0 hour notice on the Rule 49A of the Rule and Procedure and Conduct of Business on the news item which appeared in the newspaper, the Shillong Time, dated the 3rd August 2021, under the caption, "Villages to protest against the pollution from the coke plant." Sir, this is a very serious issue, I may say, sir, for the whole of Giant Hill district. So it may happen that in East Giant Hill district, but as of today, sir, this issue it may affect for the whole of Giant Hill district and also affect for the whole of the state. So this matter, sir, I would like to brought to the house that again, sir, yesterday it appeared in Unong San Hima. Thousands of people come to the street to protest of the coke factories. Even the same, sir, that it came out in the Khasi newspaper Maupur. It says that Ngimtip yaka CTE consent to establishment, Ngimtip yaka CTO does consent to operate, Tangba apo Sansngi deban Kangdut yaki karkhana coke apo East Giant Hill. So it was written here that yesterday protests that thousands of people come on the street of shouting a slogan again about the illegal coke factories in the whole of East Giant Hill district, sir. So I am very much concerned for this issue, and I'm sure that the people of East Giant Hills expect that, especially that from the side of the legislators from the Giant Hills, having 7 legislators, with God's grace, they have got an opportunity to be the minister, 3 of them. They expect that they will do something to save the life of the people of the East Giant Hills and the whole Giant Hill district and the state as a whole, sir. So I cannot understand about this issue of the illegal coke factories, sir. This is not the first protest. This is the second protest. The first protest that many have come on the street, along with the local MLA from that area, Mr. Shillong. And others have already came out to oppose of illegal coke factories, sir. Second to that, yesterday again they have a big protest on the street that people have come and shouting slogan against the government of not take a decision to close all the coke factories in the East Giant Hill district, sir. So the demand of the people of Ilaka Sutanga, that all the coke factories there and East Giant Hill district should be closed. They have given a deadline of 5 days. Other than that, so it depends on the people and also the government. So, main important we have to understand, we are here for the people. People have given us a mandate to be MLA, a mandate to be minister, and a mandate to be chief minister. But it is a very sorry to say that sometime after we get an opportunity to be MLA, after we get an opportunity to be the minister or chief minister, we forget about the grievances of the people. Because of that reason, sir, that it make MLAs sometime they got elected only once, sometime they got elected 2 because we fail to address the grievances of the people. When we talk about the government, sir, sometime when we out of power, we talk a lot for the issue of the state, issue of Jai Bendriu, and issue of the people that we are facing. But after we are in the power, we feel to address all this issue of of the issue of coke factories. So I would like, sir, to urge the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet colleague, and especially the Minister who holds the Industries Department, take a decision at the right time. So we are concerned of these coke factories because of the health of the people. So it will affect badly. Some of medical experts, medical fraternity, I have already met with them. They have already said that they cannot come openly, but said that the coke factories there at Sawkmie may affect the health condition of the people. That is the health condition of the people. So the second to that, sir, they also affect about the drinking water. So I fail to understand that even the drinking water is not a pure drinking water. That the people staying there and Sawkmie are getting to drink of not a pure drinking water. Now, sir, let me take it that way. If the time will come, health condition is not good, water is not pure to drink. Where is the life of the people?